Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So we got a new package in. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys today. Y'all know we got the bat knife on deck. And so this is the Mobula7 1S micro FPV whoop drone from Happymodel. And this one says ELRS. I didn't think that I ordered that one. I thought I ordered the FR Sky version. Oh yes, this is the FR Sky version. So let's get this guy open. These are just stickers. So toss them to the side. So we got a 1S LiPo charger here. Really nicely done. I like the way this thing looks. And we're able to hook this thing right up to a hobby grade charger. Has the balance lead and the XT60 on it. Let's set that to the side. Some accessories in here. Looks like a prop removal tool. We got some props in here. So a spare pair of props, because it looks like we have props already installed on it. We have a screwdriver and a bunch of screws in here. We have one other thing. This is a extra canopy. So that's nice. Very nice of them to throw an extra canopy in. Pull it out the box. It's a 75mm little whoop. Mobula7, and this one is the 1S. I never had the 2S version. I do have the Mobula6, and that's an all-in-one board. And this one is an all-in-one board as well. Board looks a little different to me. I'm not sure. I have to hold them side by side to be able to tell for sure. For the most part, this thing looks really awesome. Looks really light. Let's throw it on the scale, see how much this thing weighs. So it's sitting at 23.81 grams. 850, I know this pack is a little large. Let's see if we can get this on underneath there. Okay, full up weight of this thing is coming in at 41.0 grams. So pretty light. Really looking forward to flying this one. You guys can expect the video of this guy coming up, the Mobula7 1S from Happymodel. Thanks for watching.